Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Marvel Snap application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and download the Marvel Snap application if you don't have it on your phone or game. And of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to actually go and open the application, then log in into your account. So as an example, you don't have an account, just go and create a new one with the Gmail, even if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? So of course, let me just go here and open my Snap Marvel application or game, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, let's just go back to the idea of the video, which is how to add friends on the Marvel Snap. So the answer for this, for now, you cannot actually add any friends, but at least for now, Marvel Snaps is a very fresh title. It just released on October like 18. Yeah, it just like yeah, it just on the October 18 on 2022. So a lot of functionality is still missing and has yet to be added through upcoming updates. So of course, maybe if you're seeing this video like maybe in 3 months from now, or 4, maybe 5, maybe this option will be added already to the game. So of course, because they tell that they will add this through the next updates. So all you need to do just to be patient and enjoy actually the game at the moment alone. You can even like share your screen with your friends if you want to share the game experience with your friends. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and actually goodbye.